45 Days to Building Your Strong Running Body, No Gym Required is divided into 3 phases: the introductory phase, the strength phase, and the strength and power phase. Similar to a running plan, each of these phases builds on the one before. This means that you should not move on to the next phase of the program without completing or demonstrating you've mastered the previous one. If this means repeating a couple of weeks, then do that. The introductory phase is about getting your body used to moving in a new way and working muscles in a way that they may not have been worked in before. The exercises that you'll perform during this phase are primarily face up or face down. In addition to this, many of the exercises isolate the muscles being worked on. For example, the clamshell exercise is excellent for the glute medius, but not much else. Performing exercises in this way will help to ensure the right muscles are activated and firing. The physiological adaptations that we're trying to create in this introductory phase are core stabilization and core muscular endurance. As a result, the number of exercises and repetitions in this phase are high and the number of sets are low. The strength phase, we're going to focus our attention on exercises that are upright and weight-bearing. Not only will each exercise be more intense than the exercises in the introductory phase, they will involve more than one muscle or muscle group like running does. Because of this, we're going to perform fewer exercises and number of repetitions than we did in the introductory phase. But if at any point you find that you're not challenged enough, there are a number of things that you can do to increase the challenge of an exercise. For example, you can perform the exercise more slowly. You can perform the exercise with a deeper contraction, meaning holding on to that tightening a little bit longer. You can pause at various points during the repetition or even increase the instability of the surface that you're on. For more tips on how to increase or even decrease the challenge of an exercise, you're going to go to the increasing or decreasing the challenge section of the welcome packet. And I'm going to talk more about that in a little bit. But I assure you, although many of the exercises may appear simple when you look at them, they can be made much more difficult with a few tweaks. The strength and power phase is the last phase of the program. The difference between this phase and the strength phase is the intensity of the exercises performed, as well as the addition of a few plyometric, more explosive exercises. Plyometric exercises are great for strength, speed, and teaching your body how to land softly and absorb impact better. So think about it. When you run, you're essentially performing a series of plyometric, one-legged mini squats. So it's important to be able to know how to land softly.